My name is Victor.
My name is Carl.
Hi, my name is Honeylore.
Hi, my name is Saim.
Hi, I'm Nikhil.
Hi, my name is Emily Amgad. In this program, I learned a lot about finance and the importance of money management.
Throughout these 2 days, it's been a really nice experience because a lot of the times, especially when I'm out shopping, my parents like to make a lot of jokes about me not knowing a lot about finance, and yet they never do anything to really help me know. And so now that I really do know more about finance and what to do with my money and how to do it well, I think it's been like a really nice experience.
In this 2-day program, I learned that there was a lot of things I didn't know about financial literacy. And during this time, I thought that maybe if a lot of people knew about this, that they wouldn't have so many problems that they had with money now.
They explain it in layman's terms because, as you know, many of the people here don't know much about finance, and that's what they're trying to solve. So I think that more schools and more institutions should be ready to accept this.
It was really fun and very hands-on, which is what I liked about it a lot.
I honestly think it was really fun, it was interactive, it was engaging, and I think most importantly it was informative. I genuinely think that some of the information I gained from this campaign would help me later in life.
Many people fall into a lot of trouble because they don't know the stuff that I learned here today. So I'm really thankful for this opportunity to be part of this program and to be more educated on this very important topic.
We learned a lot about smart decisions you have to make, and all in all, I really did enjoy it a lot. And also huge thanks to Dubai Islamic Bank for sponsoring the program.
I'm really thankful for this opportunity, and I believe that others around the world, not even just in UAE, should be given this same opportunity. So thank you so very much to Dubai Islamic Bank for sponsoring this initiative and allowing our school to take part in it. Thank you.
I'd like to shout out Dubai Islamic Bank, honestly, for sponsoring this. Couldn't have been possible without them.
I would like to give my thanks to Dubai Islamic Bank for sponsoring this, and I would like to thank KFI Global again for bringing us this program.